welcome back. Today we're making some coconut macaroons, a really simple but really nice treat for this holiday season. They are really delicious and really easy to make. So, let's get baking. We're gonna start out with 14 ounces of shredded sweetened coconut and add 14 ounces of condensed milk to that. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix this together well. In a new bowl, we're going to separate 1 egg from itself, and we are going to keep the egg white. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the egg whites and whip them into soft peaks. Now we're going to fold the egg whites into the coconut mixture, and you're going to add in half of the egg white, mix it in, and then add in the other half. Now just using a spoon or a scooper, we're going to scoop the mixture onto a parchment-lined sheet pan. And we'll bake these at 325 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. In a microwave-safe bowl, we're going to have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of cream. And you'll microwave this for 30-second intervals until it's melted, stirring in between. Once the macaroons are cool, you're going to dip the bottoms in a ganache and place them with the chocolate side upright. And you'll chill these or freeze these until the chocolate is firm. So here's the final product. It's a lovely chocolate-dipped coconut macaroon. They're really delicious. I love how they get a little golden on the top. It's really pretty and nice to present. So let's take a bite. The coconut and the chocolate go together really well. This is delicious. It's a lovely treat, and it goes great if you want to have some desserts for your Christmas dinner. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays!
Circle. Folding. You suck at this.
Shut up. You are an idiot. It is a lovely chocolate-dipped coconut macaroon. These are really delicious. Stop smacking your lips.